Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. I'm Marcus.
And I'm Derek. What is good, people?
So, today, me and Derek are going to talk about something we are both really into: going to the gym and working out.
Yes, this is a topic we talk about literally every single day. Like, every time we hang out, it always comes back to the gym.
It's true, man. Okay, so Derek, let's just jump right into it. When did you first start going to the gym?
Okay, so I started working out when I was like 19. I was in college, and honestly, I was pretty out of shape. Like, I had zero energy. I was eating junk food all the time.
I remember that. You used to eat chips for breakfast, bro.
Okay, I'm not proud of that. But yeah, one of my roommates was really into fitness, and he basically dragged me to the gym one day. And at first, I hated it.
Why did you hate it?
Because it was hard. Like, I could barely do 10 push-ups. I got tired so fast. I felt embarrassed, you know? Everyone around me looked like they knew what they were doing, and I had no idea.
Dude, that's such a common feeling. I felt the exact same way when I started. You feel like everyone is watching you and judging you.
Exactly. But honestly, nobody cares. People at the gym are just focused on themselves. It took me a while to realize that.
So, what made you stick with it?
I started seeing results after like a month. Small things, you know? Like, I could do more push-ups. I had more energy in the morning. I was sleeping better at night. And once I saw those changes, I was hooked.
That's the thing about working out. The first few weeks are the hardest. But if you push through, your body starts to change and you get addicted to that feeling.
100%. Now I feel weird if I don't go to the gym. Like, something feels off about my day.
Same, bro. Okay, so let's talk about what we actually do at the gym. What is your workout routine like right now?
So right now, I'm doing a 5-day split. That means I train 5 days a week, and each day I focus on a different muscle group.
Okay, break that down for people who are new to this. What is a muscle group?
So your body has different muscles in different areas, like your chest, your back, your shoulders, your arms, your legs. When people say muscle group, they mean one of those areas.
Right, so for example, on Monday, Derek might train chest. Tuesday is back. Wednesday is shoulders, and so on.
Exactly. And the reason you split it up is so each muscle has time to rest and recover before you train it again. Because when you lift weights, you're actually creating tiny tears in your muscle, and when it repairs, it grows back bigger and stronger.
That sounds kind of crazy, but it's true. Rest is actually just as important as the workout itself.
People always sleep on rest days. No pun intended.
Ha! Haha, good one. Okay, so what about you? What does your routine look like?
Wait, you just asked me. Now I'm asking you.
Oh, right. My bad. So I do a push-pull-legs routine. That's 3 types of days that repeat. Push day is chest, shoulders, and triceps. Basically, any movement where you push something away from you. Pull day is back and biceps, any movement where you pull something toward you. And then legs is, well, legs.
Do you actually do legs, though? Because I feel like a lot of guys skip leg day.
Bro, I do not skip leg day. That is a myth about me. I do legs every week.
Okay, I believe you. But real talk, so many people skip legs, and it's so important.
It really is. Your legs are like half your body. Strong legs help with everything. Your posture, your balance, even your upper body lifts get better when your legs are strong.
Okay, let's talk about food for a second, because you cannot outtrain a bad diet. That's something I learned the hard way.
Say it louder for the people in the back.
Ha! Seriously, though. When I first started going to the gym, I was working out hard, but I was still eating fast food, drinking soda, staying up late, and my progress was so slow.
What changed?
I started paying attention to protein. Protein is like the building block of muscle. If you want to build muscle, you have to eat enough protein every day. Foods like chicken, eggs, fish, Greek yogurt, beans, those are all high in protein.
I eat so much chicken, dude. Like, I feel like I'm turning into a chicken at this point.
Haha, same. Meal prepping changed my life, honestly. Every Sunday, I cook a big batch of food for the whole week, so I always have healthy food ready and I'm not tempted to order pizza at 11 p.m.
Meal prep is a game changer. It takes maybe 2 hours on Sunday, but it saves you so much time and money during the week.
And you just feel better overall. Like your energy is more stable, you don't have those crashes in the afternoon where you just want to fall asleep.
Okay, let's talk about some beginner tips. If someone is listening to this and they want to start going to the gym, but they don't know where to begin, what would you tell them?
First thing, don't overthink it. Just go. Seriously, so many people spend weeks researching the perfect workout plan and never actually start. Just walk in, pick up some weights, and figure it out as you go.
I totally agree. The best workout plan is the one you actually do. Don't wait for the perfect moment.
Second tip, start with the basics. You don't need fancy equipment or complicated exercises. Squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, rows, those 5 exercises alone can build an incredible body if you do them consistently.
And consistency is the key word. Going to the gym twice a week for a year is way better than going every day for 1 month and then quitting.
Preach. Third tip, track your progress. Write down what you lifted, how many reps you did, because it's really motivating when you look back and see how much stronger you've gotten.
I use an app on my phone. There are so many free apps that let you log your workouts. It's super helpful.
And last tip, find a gym buddy if you can. Having someone to go with makes it so much more fun and keeps you accountable.
That's literally how we got into this together, man. We used to drive to the gym together in college.
Those were the days. Blasting music in your beat-up old car on the way to the gym at 6 a.m.
That car was a piece of junk, but those were good times.
All right, we should wrap it up. Any final thoughts?
Just don't be intimidated. The gym is for everybody. Every single person who looks impressive in the gym was once a beginner who had no idea what they were doing. Just start, be consistent, and trust the process.
Well said, man. And eat your protein.
Always. All right, guys, that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening.
If you enjoyed this, share it with a friend who's been saying they want to start working out. Maybe this will be the push they need.
We'll see you next time. Stay consistent, stay hungry, and we'll catch you later.
Peace.